Hey guys, the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has vehemently rejected the creation of additional 31 states in Nigeria proposed by the National Assembly. Rejecting the proposed creation of the additional states in a statement issued on Monday by its Media and Publicity Secretary, Powerful, IPOB insisted on an independent Biafra nation, saying the southeast region, predominantly occupied by Igbos, does not need additional state births and independent nation. Powerful stated, instead of multiplying economically bankrupt states, the unworkable Nigerian unity should be dissolved. The IPOB movement is against the creation of new states because the existing states are bankrupt and not functioning properly. Sahara reporters had earlier reported this month that the House of Representatives Constitution Review Committee proposed the creation of 31 new states, in addition to Nigeria's existing 36 states. A letter from the committee, read by the Deputy Speaker of the House, Benjamin Kalu, dictate the conditions that must be met before any state creation request can be approved. According to the letter, the proposed include 6 from the north central, 4 from the northeast, 5 from the northwest, 5 from the southeast, 4 from the south-south, and 7 from the southwest. Among the proposed states are Akun, Akura, and Confluence, Kogi, Benue, Hala, and Akpa, Benue, FCT states, Amana, Adamawa, and the rest. But IPOB noted that, from proposal futures Ogoja, Cross River, we have Warri, Delta State, we have Ori and Obolo rivers, then Torumba, Ondo, Ibadan, Oyo, Lagun, Lagos, Ogun and Ijebu, Ogun, Oke Ogun, Ijesha, Oyo, Ogun, Osun. But IPOB noted that creating more states is tantamount to creating more confusion, disunity, and insecurity in the country. The IPOB spokesperson stated, Nigerians are suffering because of the faulty foundations of the Nigerian state and the unsurmountable corruption in the Nigerian government. Nigerian politicians are neck deep in corruption. Corruption has eaten into every fabric of Nigerian society, hence no amount of multiplication of state and security agencies will solve problems. Monumental corruption, insecurity, and other problems. Nigeria is a country founded on fraud, sustaining fraud that is incapable of sustaining human and capital development. Any society built on fraud cannot stand. That is why IPOB and other rational indigenous mind in Nigeria are calling for the dissolution of Nigeria. Powerful stated that even if President Bola Tinubu's government creates additional 100 states, the political equation between the north, the west, and east will never be balanced. He said the previous ethnic bigotry, the northern military leaders, has already created unfavorable political equations that are unequal to the unity of Nigeria. Postponing the division of Nigeria is embarrassing. The evil days which are here now with us. IPOB says no to the new states creation proposal that will include the Biafra Southeast region. Our position is clear. We don't want our region to be balkanized or broken down by further. Instead, Igbo people need our Igbo brothers and sisters, villages, clans, and whose regions carved into Kogi, Benue, and Edo State back into Aligbo, Southeast. The Nigerian government can create more states to suit them in their Nigeria, while Igbo people establish an independent state of Biafra. What Igbo people want is an exit from Nigeria in a peaceful and democratic way. So guys, you've all heard it now. I don't even know how these people will fund these new states they are proposing to create and all that. Well, I'm dropping it here, guys. Kindly drop your comment below the comment section. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you and bye for now.